this video, we're diving into the concept of the ultimate cheat day, a day where you can indulge guilt-free while still staying on track with your weight loss goals. We all know that maintaining a healthy diet is crucial, but sometimes a little indulgence is necessary to keep us sane. So what exactly is a cheat day? It's a designated day where you can enjoy your favorite treats without feeling guilty. We'll show you how to make smart choices when it comes to indulging, so you can satisfy your cravings without undoing all your hard work. Get ready for some practical advice, mixed with a dash of humor to help you navigate the world of cheat days like a pro. Benefits of healthy indulgences. Let's talk about the benefits of incorporating healthy indulgences into your diet. By allowing yourself the occasional treat, you can prevent feelings of deprivation and maintain long-term adherence to healthy eating habits. It's all about balance. Opting for nutrient-dense indulgences not only satisfies your cravings, but also provides essential vitamins and minerals. Think of it as a win-win situation. You get to enjoy a delicious treat while nourishing your body at the same time. We'll share some tips on choosing healthier alternatives to traditional high-calorie treats so you can indulge without the guilt. Stay tuned for practical advice on how to make smart indulgence choices that support your overall health and wellness goals. Navigating cheat days wisely. Ready to conquer your cheat day like a pro? We've got you covered with practical strategies to enjoy indulgent treats without derailing your weight loss progress. Start by planning ahead. Balance out your cheat meals with lighter, nutrient-rich options throughout the day to keep your overall calorie intake in check. Practice mindful eating by savoring each bite of your treat and listening to your hunger cues to prevent overindulging. Additionally, staying active on your cheat day can help offset any excess calories consumed and maintain a sense of balance in your routine. By incorporating these tips into your cheat day strategy, you can indulge guilt-free while still staying on track towards your health and wellness goals. Get ready to navigate your cheat day with confidence and control. Healthy swaps and alternatives. Craving your favorite indulgent foods and drinks but want to keep it healthy? We've got you covered with creative ideas for healthier versions that won't compromise on taste. Discover nutritious alternatives to high-calorie favorites through recipes or product recommendations that use wholesome ingredients to satisfy your cravings guilt-free. Homemade treats can be a game-changer, offering benefits like controlling sugar and fat content while incorporating nutrient-rich elements. Don't be afraid to experiment with new flavors and ingredients to create delicious alternatives that cater to your taste buds and health goals. Whether it's a decadent dessert or a refreshing beverage, there's always a healthier swap waiting to be explored. Get ready to indulge in a smarter, more nourishing way with these innovative ideas. Mindful eating practices. Embrace the power of mindful eating to savor indulgences without guilt and foster a positive relationship with food. Mindful eating involves being fully present and aware of your eating experience, allowing you to appreciate flavors, textures, and sensations with each bite. By practicing mindfulness, you can enhance your enjoyment of treats while also tuning into your body's hunger and fullness cues. Remember to approach indulgences with self-compassion and flexibility, understanding that balance is key to overall well-being. Allow yourself to enjoy your favorite foods without judgment, savoring each moment without rushing through the experience. With these mindful eating practices, you can cultivate a healthier mindset towards indulgences and nourish both your body and soul. Let's recap the key points and empower you to apply the advice shared. Remember, incorporating healthy indulgences into your diet can prevent feelings of deprivation and enhance long-term adherence to healthy eating habits. Practice mindful eating by savoring treats and listening to your body's hunger cues, making smart choices on cheat days to maintain balance. By planning ahead, choosing nutrient-dense alternatives, and staying active, you can enjoy indulgences without sabotaging your weight loss progress. We invite you to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Let's continue on this journey together towards a balanced and fulfilling approach to health and wellness.